The upcoming Google Pixel 10 lineup is shaping up to bring something that could set it apart from most Android phones on the market. And it's not just about performance or camera upgrades. According to new leaks, all Pixel 10 models, including the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold, will support a brand new accessory line called Pixelsnap. And the big surprise, these cases appear to confirm chat-to-magnetic wireless charging support across the lineup. Now, if you're wondering what that means, let's break it down. Chat2 is the latest standard for wireless charging, and it's all about efficiency. One of its key improvements comes from the use of built-in magnets. These magnets ensure that the charging coils in your phone are perfectly aligned with the coils in the wireless charger. Why is that important? Well, misaligned coils waste energy, create more heat, and make charging slower. With magnets guiding the phone into place, the process becomes faster and more reliable. This feature is something we've mostly seen in Apple's MagSafe ecosystem. On the Android side, it's extremely rare. Right now, only the HMD Skyline has magnets built into the phone for chat charging. If the leaks are accurate, Google is about to join that exclusive club with the Pixel 10 series. The news comes from leaked renders published by Dutch site Nieuwe. The images show the upcoming Pixelsnap cases with a visible magnetic ring inside, strongly suggesting that the Pixel 10 phones themselves will have matching magnets embedded in their backs. This means that when you attach a Pixelsnap case, it will click perfectly into position with chat-to-wireless chargers, giving you consistent and optimal charging every time. As for charging speeds, the Pixel 10 series is expected to reach 15 West on standard wireless charging, but Chat could potentially push that up to 23 West, a nice bump over last year's Pixel 9 series, which topped out at 21 W on the official Pixel stand and was capped at 12 W on regular Chat chargers. That's a big step forward in wireless charging performance, and it might just convince more people to go wireless full-time. The Chat feature won't be limited to just the regular Pixel 10 models either. Hall of Fame leaker Evan Blass has confirmed that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will also support it. However, the foldable won't be launching alongside the rest of the lineup at the August 20th Made by Google event. Instead, it's reportedly delayed until October. Still, the addition of magnetic wireless charging to a foldable is notable. It's something even Samsung hasn't done with the Galaxy Z Fold series. Now, there's also been some chatter about the weight of the new phones. Rumors say the Pixel 10 models will be heavier than their predecessors. This could be due to the new internal magnets, but another theory is that Google is also increasing battery sizes. Of course, there's always the chance that we'll get both magnets for Chat and bigger batteries for longer life. That's the kind of combination Pixel fans would love to see. The Pixelsnap cases themselves seem to have been designed with both style and protection in mind. Besides the magnetic ring, they'll feature a soft microfiber lining to protect the phone from scratches. And for those who like their accessories to match their devices, the cases are expected to come in the same colors as the Pixel 10 lineup: indigo, a deep, bold blue obsidian, the classic black limoncello, a vibrant green frost, a light, cool blue. These cases aren't just functional. They're going to be a visual extension of the phone itself. Given Google's focus on color-matched accessories in recent years, it's no surprise they're continuing that trend. We're now less than a week away from the official unveiling, and anticipation is building. For some people, chat-to-magnetic charging might sound like a small detail, but it could be a game-changer for convenience and charging speed. Think about it. No more fiddling with positioning your phone on a charging pad, no more waking up to find it didn't charge properly overnight. Just snap it into place and know it's charging at top speed. And while wireless charging is only one part of the story, it's clear that Google is aiming to make the Pixel 10 lineup stand out in ways that go beyond software and AI. Speaking of AI, that's still a big reason many people, including some iPhone users, are considering switching to a Pixel this year. Google has been pushing AI-powered features harder than almost anyone else, and the Pixel series is where those capabilities shine first. So between the rumored hardware upgrades, the new Chat support, the possibility of bigger batteries, and, of course, Google's software smarts, the Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be one of the most interesting phone launches of the year. The big question now is whether these changes will be enough to pull people away from their current devices, especially those deep in Apple's ecosystem. In just a few days, we'll have all the official details, but for now, the leaks paint a pretty exciting picture, a Pixel lineup that's not just keeping up with the competition, but bringing something new to the table, or in this case, to the charging pad. And for people who have been waiting for a truly convenient wireless charging solution on Android, This could be the moment they've been waiting for.